CLEP Educational Psychology Practice Test. Question 1. Why do many students take a CLEP Educational Psychology Practice Test before registering for the real exam? Option A. To check readiness and find weak areas. Option B. To replace official registration. Option C. To skip college advising. Option D. To guarantee college credit. The correct answer is option A. To check readiness and find weak areas. A practice test helps reveal strengths, weak areas, pacing issues, and content gaps before test day. Official registration is still required, advising is still important, and no practice test can guarantee credit because each college sets its own policy. Question 2. How can a CLEP score help a student save time in college? Option A. By automatically awarding a full degree. Option B. By possibly earning credit for introductory courses. Option C. By removing all tuition costs. Option D. By replacing every major requirement. The correct answer is option B. By possibly earning credit for introductory courses. CLEP can help students earn credit for some introductory courses when their college accepts the score. It does not award an entire degree, remove all costs, or replace every major requirement. Question 3. Which detail makes CLEP different from a normal end-of-semester class exam? Option A. It is always essay only. Option B. It is only for graduate students. Option C. It can award college credit without taking the course. Option D. It has no subject areas. The correct answer is option C. It can award college credit without taking the course. CLEP is designed to let students demonstrate college-level knowledge and potentially earn credit without completing the full course. It is not always essay only, it is not limited to graduate students, and it covers many subject areas. Question 4. When should someone check a college CLEP policy? Option A. After paying for every exam. Option B. Only after graduation. Option C. Only if the exam feels easy. Option D. Before choosing which exam to take. The correct answer is option D. Before choosing which exam to take. Checking the policy first helps confirm whether the school accepts the exam, what score is needed, and how many credits may be granted. Waiting until after payment or graduation can waste time, and exam difficulty does not replace policy requirements. Question 5. Could two colleges treat the same CLEP score differently? Option A. Yes, because credit policies vary by institution. Option B. No, every college uses one identical rule. Option C. Only if the exam is math-related. Option D. Only for language exams. The correct answer is option A. Yes, because credit policies vary by institution. Colleges can set different CLEP credit rules, score requirements, and credit amounts. There is no single identical rule for every institution, and the variation is not limited to math or language exams. Question 6. Where should a student look first for official CLEP exam information? Option A. Random comment sections. Option B. Official College Board CLEP resources. Option C. Unverified answer dumps. Option D. Old social media screenshots. The correct answer is option B. Official College Board CLEP resources. Official College Board CLEP resources are the safest starting point for exam structure, subjects, and study materials. Comment sections, answer dumps, and screenshots may be outdated, incomplete, or misleading. Question 7. Which habit is most useful during a timed CLEP practice session? Option A. Ignoring the clock completely. Option B. Answering every question in 1 minute exactly. Option C. Tracking time while keeping accuracy high. Option D. Reading answer explanations only. The correct answer is option C. Tracking time while keeping accuracy high. Timed practice builds pacing and helps students balance speed with accuracy. Ignoring the clock weakens preparation. 1 fixed minute is not realistic for every question, and explanations alone do not develop test endurance. Question 8. How does reviewing missed CLEP questions improve preparation? Option A. It deletes wrong answers from the real exam. Option B. It proves the exam will be easy. Option C. It replaces learning the subject. Option D. It shows which concepts need more review. The correct answer is option D. It shows which concepts need more review. Reviewing missed questions identifies patterns in misunderstanding and points to topics that need more practice. It does not change real exam content, prove the exam will be easy, or replace learning the material. Question 9. Which choice is a smart reason to use CLEP Educational Psychology Practice Test? Option A. To practice exam-style thinking. Option B. To memorize random letters. Option C. To avoid reading all directions. Option D. To predict every official question. The correct answer is option A. To practice exam-style thinking. Exam-style practice helps students recognize question patterns, distractors, and common reasoning steps. Memorizing letters, skipping directions, or trying to predict every official question is unreliable and risky. Question 10. Why might a student choose CLEP College Algebra instead of a general CLEP review first when studying CLEP Educational Psychology Practice Test? Option A. They want to avoid math completely. Option B. They need targeted algebra credit or review. Option C. It has no equations. Option D. It is accepted by every school automatically. The correct answer is option B. They need targeted algebra credit or review. A subject-specific exam is useful when the student needs that particular credit or wants focused review. It does not avoid math, it includes algebraic reasoning, and acceptance still depends on the college. Question 11. Which topic is most connected to CLEP biology? Option A. Contract law only. Option B. Poetry meter only. Option C. Cell structure and genetics. Option D. Foreign exchange rates only. The correct answer is option C. Cell structure and genetics. CLEP biology commonly includes biological concepts such as cells, genetics, organisms, and populations. Contract law, poetry meter, and exchange rates belong to other subject areas. Question 12. How could a curious learner use CLEP Natural Sciences practice questions? Option A. To study only ancient poetry. Option B. To avoid scientific reasoning. Option C. To replace lab safety rules. Option D. To review broad biological and physical science ideas. The correct answer is option D. To review broad biological and physical science ideas. Natural sciences practice can cover a broad survey of biology and physical science concepts. Ancient poetry is not the focus, and good science preparation includes reasoning rather than avoiding it. Question 13. Which skill matters most on CLEP analyzing and interpreting literature? Option A. Reading passages closely and drawing conclusions. Option B. Memorizing chemistry symbols. Option C. Solving logarithmic equations only. Option D. Balancing business ledgers. The correct answer is option A. Reading passages closely and drawing conclusions. This literature exam emphasizes close reading, interpretation, tone, theme, and evidence from passages. Chemistry, logarithms, and ledgers belong to different CLEP subjects. Question 14. Why are distractor choices important in CLEP multiple choice practice? Option A. They always reveal the answer immediately. Option B. They train students to compare tempting wrong answers. Option C. They remove the need for content knowledge. Option D. They make every question subjective. The correct answer is option B. They train students to compare tempting wrong answers. Distractors help students practice separating correct reasoning from tempting but flawed options. They do not automatically reveal answers, remove the need to study, or make objective questions subjective. Question 15. Which result is most realistic after strong CLEP preparation? Option A. A guaranteed perfect score. Option B. Automatic admission to any college. Option C. Better competence and clearer topic knowledge. Option D. No need to read questions carefully. The correct answer is option C. Better competence and clearer topic knowledge. Strong preparation can improve confidence, pacing, and content understanding. It cannot guarantee a perfect score, admission, or careful reading becoming unnecessary. Question 16. How should a student treat unofficial CLEP practice materials? Option A. Trust every answer without checking. Option B. Avoid all explanations. Option C. Use only questions with no answer key. Option D. Use them for practice while verifying concepts with reliable sources. The correct answer is option D. Use them for practice while verifying concepts with reliable sources. Unofficial materials can be helpful for extra practice when explanations and concepts are checked against trustworthy sources. Blind trust, skipping explanations, or using questions without answers weakens preparation. Question 17. Which phrase best describes a CLEP study plan? Option A. A schedule that organizes topics, practice, and review. Option B. A promise that no studying is needed. Option C. A list of unrelated videos only. Option D. A way to skip college policies. The correct answer is option A. A schedule that organizes topics, practice, and review. A useful study plan organizes content review, practice questions, timing, and weak area review. It is not a no-study promise, a random video list, or a substitute for checking college policy. Question 18. Why might CLEP Educational Psychology Practice Test include both easy and hard questions? Option A. To confuse students on purpose. Option B. To build confidence and challenge deeper understanding. Option C. To remove all basic review. Option D. To guarantee the official exam order. The correct answer is option B. To build confidence and challenge deeper understanding. Mixed difficulty helps students warm up, confirm basics, and then stretch into more challenging reasoning. It should not be designed to confuse, remove basics, or copy official exam order. Question 19. Which CLEP exam is most likely to involve supply, demand, and markets? Option A. American literature. Option B. German language. Option C. Principles of microeconomics. Option D. College composition. The correct answer is option C. Principles of microeconomics. Principles of microeconomics focuses on individual markets, supply and demand, incentives, and firm behavior. Literature, language, and composition exams assess different skills. Question 20. How can answer explanations make CLEP practice more valuable when studying CLEP Educational Psychology Practice Test? Option A. They hide the learning process. Option B. They make timing irrelevant. Option C. They replace college credit policy. Option D. They show the reasoning behind right and wrong choices. The correct answer is option D. They show the reasoning behind right and wrong choices. Good explanations teach why the correct answer works and why the distractors fail. They should not hide reasoning, erase timing concerns, or replace institutional credit rules. Question 21. Which question would fit CLEP American Government Review? Option A. How does separation of powers limit government authority? Option B. How do enzymes lower activation energy? Option C. How is a sonnet rhyme scheme counted? Option D. How is net income posted to retained earnings? The correct answer is option A. How does separation of powers limit government authority? Separation of powers is a core American government concept. Enzymes, sonnets, and retained earnings belong to biology, literature, and accounting. Question 22. Why should CLEP learners practice with 4 answer choices? Option A. It guarantees a 25% final score. Option B. It mirrors common multiple choice decision making. Option C. It removes reading comprehension. Option D. It makes every question easier than official exams. The correct answer is option B. It mirrors common multiple choice decision making. For choices train students to compare plausible options and eliminate distractors. A 25% guessing chance is not a goal, and this format does not remove reading or guarantee easier questions. Question 23. Which action helps after scoring low on a CLEP practice quiz? Option A. Quit studying immediately. Option B. Only memorize the answer letters. Option C. Review mistakes and retest weak topics. Option D. Assume the college will ignore the score. The correct answer is option C. Review mistakes and retest weak topics. A low practice score is useful feedback when the student reviews errors and targets weak topics. Quitting, memorizing letters, or assuming policies will change does not improve readiness. Question 24. How can CLEP flashcards support exam review? Option A. By replacing all practice questions. Option B. By proving every school grants credit. Option C. By hiding weak areas. Option D. By reinforcing definitions, formulas, people, and concepts. The correct answer is option D. By reinforcing definitions, formulas, people, and concepts. Flashcards can strengthen recall of key terms and facts when combined with practice questions. They do not replace full practice, prove institutional policies, or reveal every weakness on their own. Question 25. Which subject would likely include derivatives and limits? Option A. CLEP Calculus. Option B. CLEP Humanities. Option C. CLEP Sociology. Option D. CLEP Marketing. The correct answer is option A. CLEP Calculus. Calculus commonly includes limits, derivatives, and applications of change. Humanities, sociology, and marketing focus on different bodies of knowledge. Question 26. How should a student read a difficult CLEP question? Option A. Pick the longest answer automatically. Option B. Identify the task, underline clues mentally, then compare choices. Option C. Choose C whenever unsure. Option D. Skip the question forever. The correct answer is option B. Identify the task, underline clues mentally, then compare choices. A careful reading strategy clarifies what the question is asking and reduces distractor traps. Longest answers are not always correct, choosing one letter repeatedly is weak, and skipped questions still need attention if time allows. Question 27. Which reason makes CLEP last-minute review useful? Option A. It teaches an entire course instantly. Option B. It guarantees the exact official questions. Option C. It refreshes high-yield topics and common mistakes. Option D. It removes the need for sleep. The correct answer is option C. It refreshes high-yield topics and common mistakes. Last-minute review can refresh important ideas, formulas, and mistakes already studied. It cannot teach a whole course instantly, reveal official questions, or replace rest. Question 28. Why is pacing important on CLEP exams? Option A. The exam has unlimited time. Option B. Pacing only matters after the exam. Option C. Fast guessing always beats careful work. Option D. Limited time requires steady progress through questions. The correct answer is option D. Limited time requires steady progress through questions. CLEP exams are timed, so steady pacing helps students reach more questions without rushing blindly. Unlimited time is not available, pacing matters during the test, and fast guessing can damage accuracy. Question 29. Which CLEP area connects most with balance sheets and income statements? Option A. Financial accounting. Option B. Introductory psychology. Option C. Natural sciences. Option D. Western civilization. The correct answer is option A. Financial accounting. Financial accounting includes financial statements, transactions, assets, liabilities, and equity. Psychology, science, and civilization exams focus on different academic content. Question 30. How can curiosity improve CLEP study sessions when studying CLEP Educational Psychology Practice Test? Option A. It removes the need for discipline. Option B. It turns review into questions the student wants answered. Option C. It guarantees college credit. Option D. It makes wrong answers impossible. The correct answer is option B. It turns review into questions the student wants answered. Curiosity encourages active learning and makes students investigate why concepts work. It still needs discipline, cannot guarantee credit, and does not eliminate wrong answers. Question 31. Which question belongs in CLEP chemistry practice? Option A. Why did Federalist 10 matter? Option B. How does operant conditioning work? Option C. Why do atoms form ionic bonds? Option D. How is a thesis statement revised? The correct answer is option C. Why do atoms form ionic bonds? Ionic bonding is a chemistry concept involving electrons and charged particles. Federalist papers, conditioning, and thesis revision fit government, psychology, and composition. Question 32. How should a CLEP learner handle a familiar-looking question? Option A. Answer without reading choices. Option B. Assume it is identical to a practice item. Option C. Ignore qualifiers such as except or best. Option D. Read every word before answering. The correct answer is option D. Read every word before answering. Familiar questions can contain changed details, qualifiers, or traps, so careful reading matters. Answering from memory or ignoring keywords can lead to avoidable mistakes. Question 33. Which content is central to CLEP Introductory Psychology? Option A. Learning, memory, development, and behavior. Option B. Organic reaction mechanisms only. Option C. Medieval monarch lists only. Option D. Spreadsheet formatting only. The correct answer is option A. Learning, memory, development, and behavior. Introductory psychology commonly reviews behavior, learning, memory, development, personality, and research methods. Chemistry reactions, monarch lists, and spreadsheet formatting are not central psychology topics. Question 34. Why do many CLEP questions ask for the best answer? Option A. Every choice is usually correct. Option B. Several choices may seem plausible, but only one fits best. Option C. The test avoids reasoning. Option D. Best always means longest. The correct answer is option B. Several choices may seem plausible, but only one fits best. Best answer wording tests judgment and careful comparison of close options. It does not mean every option is correct, reasoning is absent, or the longest choice wins. Question 35. Which study move is most helpful 1 week before CLEP test day? Option A. Start with no plan and no review. Option B. Only watch unrelated videos. Option C. Focus on weak areas and timed mixed practice. Option D. Stop checking explanations. The correct answer is option C. Focus on weak areas and timed mixed practice. The final week is best used for targeted review, timed practice, and error correction. Random videos and skipping explanations waste valuable review time. Question 36. How can a student avoid confusing CLEP subjects? Option A. Mix every subject into one notebook randomly. Option B. Study only titles without topics. Option C. Ignore official exam descriptions. Option D. Match each keyword to the exact exam content area. The correct answer is option D. Match each keyword to the exact exam content area. Matching keywords and resources to the specific CLEP subject keeps preparation focused. Random mixing, title-only study, and ignoring descriptions can cause gaps and confusion. Question 37. Which exam likely asks about fiscal policy and GDP? Option A. Principles of macroeconomics. Option B. Analyzing literature. Option C. College algebra. Option D. German language. The correct answer is option A. Principles of macroeconomics. Macroeconomics covers economy-wide concepts such as GDP, inflation, unemployment, and fiscal policy. Literature, algebra, and language exams focus on different skills. Question 38. Why should CLEP practice questions end with clear answer choices? Option A. They make explanations unnecessary. Option B. They make review structured and easy to score. Option C. They stop students from thinking. Option D. They guarantee official wording. The correct answer is option B. They make review structured and easy to score. Clear answer choices make practice measurable and help students review mistakes systematically. They do not remove the need for explanations, stop thinking, or guarantee official wording. Question 39. Which CLEP exam would most likely include functions and graphs? Option A. American literature. Option B. Management. Option C. College algebra. Option D. Sociology. The correct answer is option C. College algebra. College algebra includes functions, equations, inequalities, and graphs. Literature, management, and sociology focus on reading, organizations, and social behavior. Question 40. How does a full CLEP practice test build endurance when studying CLEP Educational Psychology Practice Test? Option A. It shortens the real exam automatically. Option B. It replaces all subject review. Option C. It removes difficult topics. Option D. It simulates sustained focus across many questions. The correct answer is option D. It simulates sustained focus across many questions. A full practice test trains concentration, pacing, and decision-making over a longer session. It does not shorten the real exam, replace learning, or remove difficult material. Question 41. Which sign shows a CLEP explanation is useful? Option A. It explains the correct reasoning and the wrong choice traps. Option B. It only says right or wrong. Option C. It insults the learner. Option D. It avoids the topic completely. The correct answer is option A. It explains the correct reasoning and the wrong choice traps. A useful explanation teaches the reasoning and clarifies why distractors fail. One-word feedback, insults, and off-topic comments do not support learning. Question 42. How can CLEP Educational Psychology Practice Test support a returning adult learner? Option A. By guaranteeing automatic admission. Option B. By refreshing college-level basics in a structured way. Option C. By avoiding all academic reading. Option D. By replacing every college course. The correct answer is option B. By refreshing college-level basics in a structured way. Structured practice can help returning learners rebuild confidence and refresh important concepts. It does not guarantee admission, eliminate reading, or replace all college coursework. Question 43. Which CLEP subject connects most with motivation, leadership, and organizations? Option A. Calculus. Option B. Biology. Option C. Principles of management. Option D. American literature. The correct answer is option C. Principles of management. Principles of management includes planning, organizing, leadership, motivation, and control. Calculus, biology, and literature examine different academic areas. Question 44. Why is it risky to study only memorized answer letters? Option A. Letters never change between tests. Option B, colleges grade memorization only. Option C, CLEP has no content knowledge. Option D, question wording changes and reasoning matters. The correct answer is option D, question wording changes and reasoning matters. Memorized letters do not transfer when wording, order, or context changes. CLEP preparation should focus on concepts, reasoning, and applying knowledge. Question 45. Which approach helps with CLEP reading heavy exams? Option A, practice summarizing main ideas and evidence. Option B, skip every long passage. Option C, only memorize formulas. Option D, ignore tone and purpose. The correct answer is option A, practice summarizing main ideas and evidence. Reading heavy exams reward close reading, main ideas, tone, purpose, and evidence. Skipping passages, memorizing unrelated formulas, or ignoring tone weakens performance. Question 46. How might a CLEP practice quiz reveal hidden weaknesses? Option A, it changes official scoring rules. Option B, it shows patterns in missed topics and careless errors. Option C, it proves the student cannot improve. Option D, it removes all anxiety forever. The correct answer is option B, it shows patterns in missed topics and careless errors. Practice quiz results can reveal repeated mistakes, weak concepts, and pacing problems. They do not alter official rules, prove failure, or eliminate all anxiety. Question 47. Which exam is most likely to test social institutions and culture? Option A, college mathematics. Option B, chemistry. Option C, introductory sociology. Option D, French language. The correct answer is option C, introductory sociology. Introductory sociology covers culture, social institutions, groups, inequality, and social change. Mathematics, chemistry, and language exams measure different knowledge. Question 48. Why should students compare their CLEP goal with degree requirements? Option A, every CLEP credit fits every degree. Option B, degree plans never change. Option C, advisors cannot help with CLEP. Option D, credit is useful only when it fits their academic plan. The correct answer is option D, credit is useful only when it fits their academic plan. CLEP credit is most valuable when it applies to the student's program requirements. Not every credit fits every degree, plans may change, and advisors can help confirm fit. Question 49. Which detail makes CLEP score planning important? Option A, schools may require different scores for credit. Option B, every score awards the same credit everywhere. Option C, scores are never reported. Option D, practice scores replace official scores. The correct answer is option A, schools may require different scores for credit. Score planning matters because each institution can set its own credit granting threshold and credit amount. Scores do not award identical credit everywhere, and practice scores do not replace official scores. Question 50. How can a learner make CLEP review less boring when studying CLEP Educational Psychology Practice Test? Option A, study only when exhausted. Option B, turn each topic into a question to solve. Option C, remove all practice questions. Option D, read without checking understanding. The correct answer is option B, turn each topic into a question to solve. Turning topics into questions creates active learning and keeps curiosity engaged. Exhaustion, removing practice, and passive reading usually reduce retention. Question 51. Which CLEP subject likely includes demand curves and opportunity cost? Option A, humanities. Option B, college composition. Option C, principles of microeconomics. Option D, biology. The correct answer is option C, principles of microeconomics. Microeconomics includes opportunity cost, supply and demand, market structures, and consumer choice. Humanities, composition, and biology emphasize other skills. Question 52. Why can one strong keyword help a CLEP video reach the right viewers? Option A, it hides the exam topic. Option B, it replaces useful content. Option C, it guarantees viral results. Option D, it matches what students are searching for. The correct answer is option D, it matches what students are searching for. A targeted keyword helps the title and description connect with students searching for that exam topic. It does not hide the topic, replace content quality, or guarantee viral performance. Question 53. Which question would fit CLEP college composition? Option A, how can a thesis be made clearer and more focused? Option B, how do mitochondria produce ATP? Option C, why does inflation reduce purchasing power? Option D, what causes ionic bonding? The correct answer is option A. How can a thesis be made clearer and more focused? College composition focuses on writing, thesis development, organization, revision, and source use. Mitochondria, inflation, and ionic bonding belong to biology, economics, and chemistry. Question 54. How should a student use a wrong answer during CLEP prep? Option A. Ignore it completely. Option B. Treat it as a clue for what to review next. Option C. Assume the answer key is always wrong. Option D. Repeat the same mistake faster. The correct answer is option B. Treat it as a clue for what to review next. A wrong answer is useful feedback that points to a concept, reading issue, or careless habit. Ignoring it, blaming every key, or repeating the mistake prevents improvement. Question 55. Which CLEP subject connects most with art, music, philosophy, and literature? Option A. Information systems. Option B. College algebra. Option C. Humanities. Option D. Financial accounting. The correct answer is option C. Humanities. Humanities broadly covers cultural works such as art, music, philosophy, and literature. Information systems, algebra, and accounting focus on technology, math, and financial records. Question 56. Why should CLEP learners practice elimination? Option A. It proves no studying is needed. Option B. It removes the need to read the stem. Option C. It makes all options correct. Option D. It improves odds when choices are confusing. The correct answer is option D. It improves odds when choices are confusing. Elimination helps students remove clearly wrong options and think through remaining choices. It is not a substitute for studying, reading the question, or identifying one correct answer. Question 57. Which preparation tool is best for checking timing under pressure? Option A. A timed full-length practice test. Option B. A single definition card. Option C. An unrelated podcast. Option D. A blank notebook. The correct answer is option A. A timed full-length practice test. A timed full-length practice test most closely trains pacing and endurance. Flashcards, podcasts, and notebooks can support study but do not measure timed performance the same way. Question 58. How does CLEP differ from simply watching review videos? Option A. It gives credit for watching videos only. Option B. It requires demonstrating knowledge on an official exam. Option C. It has no scoring process. Option D. It ignores subject knowledge. The correct answer is option B. It requires demonstrating knowledge on an official exam. CLEP requires taking an official exam and earning a score that a college may accept for credit. Watching videos can support learning but does not itself award CLEP credit. Question 59. Which CLEP exam would include operating systems, databases, and networks? Option A. American government. Option B. English literature. Option C. Information systems. Option D. Natural sciences. The correct answer is option C. Information systems. Information systems covers technology concepts such as hardware, software, databases, networks, and systems. Government, literature, and natural sciences focus on different academic domains. Question 60. Why can mixed CLEP practice questions be useful after topic review when studying CLEP Educational Psychology Practice Test? Option A. They guarantee the same exam sequence. Option B. They avoid all hard concepts. Option C. They replace official registration. Option D. They test whether knowledge transfers across topics. The correct answer is option D. They test whether knowledge transfers across topics. Mixed practice checks whether the learner can recognize concepts without being told the topic first. It does not copy official sequence, avoid difficulty, or handle registration. Question 61. Which clue suggests a CLEP answer choice may be too extreme? Option A. Words such as always, never, or ever used without support. Option B. A balanced phrase with evidence. Option C. A definition that matches the concept. Option D. A choice that directly answers the stem. The correct answer is option A. Words such as always, never, or ever used without support. Extreme words can signal a distractor when the topic requires nuance. Balanced, supported, and directly relevant choices are often stronger, though each question still needs careful reading. Question 62. How can CLEP review help a high school student planning college credits? Option A. It replaces college applications. Option B. It can show whether college-level knowledge is already strong. Option C. It removes the need for school approval. Option D. It guarantees all credits transfer. The correct answer is option B. It can show whether college-level knowledge is already strong. CLEP review can help students evaluate readiness for introductory college-level subjects. It does not replace applications, advising, or transfer credit confirmation. Question 63. Which exam likely asks about civil liberties and federalism? Option A, chemistry. Option B, college mathematics. Option C, American government. Option D, marketing. The correct answer is option C, American government. American government includes constitutional principles, civil liberties, federalism, institutions, and political behavior. Chemistry, mathematics, and marketing cover different content. Question 64. Why is a diagnostic CLEP quiz helpful at the beginning? Option A. It guarantees the final score. Option B. It replaces all future review. Option C. It makes weak areas disappear. Option D. It sets a baseline before deeper study. The correct answer is option D. It sets a baseline before deeper study. A diagnostic quiz gives a starting point and helps prioritize study time. It cannot guarantee the final score, replace review, or remove weak areas automatically. Question 65. Which CLEP subject is most connected to consumer behavior and product strategy? Option A, Principles of Marketing. Option B, Calculus. Option C, Western Civilization. Option D, College Mathematics. The correct answer is option A, Principles of Marketing. Principles of marketing includes customers, segmentation, positioning, products, pricing, promotion, and distribution. Calculus, history, and general math focus on different skills. Question 66. How should a learner respond to repeated mistakes in one CLEP topic? Option A, keep guessing quickly. Option B, pause and reteach the concept before more practice. Option C, delete the topic from the plan. Option D, assume it will not appear. The correct answer is option B, pause and reteach the concept before more practice. Repeated mistakes show that the concept needs targeted review before more questions. Guessing, deleting the topic, or assuming it will not matter can leave a major gap. Question 67. Which topic belongs most naturally in CLEP Western Civilization I? Option A, Modern Computer Networks. Option B, Human Memory Experiments Only. Option C, Ancient Civilizations and Medieval Europe. Option D, Spreadsheet Journal Entries. The correct answer is option C, Ancient Civilizations and Medieval Europe. Western Civilization I commonly covers ancient Near East, Greece, Rome, medieval Europe, and early modern developments. Networks, memory experiments, and accounting entries belong elsewhere. Question 68. Why might a student use CLEP hard questions near the end of prep? Option A. To avoid basic concepts forever. Option B. To memorize official answers. Option C. To make the exam untimed. Option D. To challenge reasoning after learning the basics. The correct answer is option D. To challenge reasoning after learning the basics. Hard questions are useful after foundations are built because they test deeper reasoning and application. They should not replace basics, involve official answer memorization, or change exam timing. Question 69. Which CLEP exam would likely include growth, aging, and lifespan stages? Option A, Human Growth and Development. Option B, Business Law. Option C, Chemistry. Option D, Per Calculus. The correct answer is option A, Human Growth and Development. Human growth and development focuses on development across the lifespan, including physical, cognitive, and social changes. Business law, chemistry, and per calculus cover different content. Question 70. How can a student make answer review faster without losing quality when studying CLEP Educational Psychology Practice Test? Option A, read only the correct letters. Option B, group mistakes by topic and review patterns. Option C, skip all explanations. Option D, change answers randomly. The correct answer is option B, group mistakes by topic and review patterns. Grouping mistakes by topic reveals patterns and makes review more efficient. Reading only letters, skipping explanations, or changing randomly does not build understanding. Question 71. Which choice is a common CLEP preparation mistake? Option A, reviewing missed questions carefully. Option B, using timed practice. Option C, studying without checking the exact exam outline. Option D, confirming school credit policy. The correct answer is option C, studying without checking the exact exam outline. Ignoring the exam outline can lead to studying the wrong topics or missing important areas. Reviewing mistakes, timed practice, and checking policy are helpful preparation habits. Question 72. Why should practice questions avoid pretending to be official CLEP questions? Option A. Official wording is unnecessary for learning. Option B. Colleges prefer fake claims. Option C. Misleading labels improve accuracy. Option D. Students need honest practice, not misleading claims. The correct answer is option D. Students need honest practice, not misleading claims. Honest practice builds trust and focuses on learning exam-style skills without claiming to reveal official content. Misleading claims are not necessary, ethical, or helpful for accurate preparation. Question 73. Which CLEP subject might include court cases, contracts, and torts? Option A. Introductory business law. Option B. Natural sciences. Option C. French language. Option D. College algebra. The correct answer is option A. Introductory business law. Introductory business law includes legal systems, contracts, agency, liability, and business-related legal principles. Science, language, and algebra exams focus on other areas. Question 74. How can a CLEP online practice test support flexible study? Option A. It awards credit without an official exam. Option B. It lets students practice from anywhere with structured questions. Option C. It replaces college approval. Option D. It guarantees no difficult items. The correct answer is option B. It lets students practice from anywhere with structured questions. Online practice can make review more convenient and structured. It does not award official credit, replace college policy, or remove challenging questions. Question 75. Which skill helps most when two CLEP options seem correct? Option A. Pick the shorter answer automatically. Option B. Choose the first familiar word. Option C. Return to the exact wording of the question. Option D. Ignore the stem. The correct answer is option C. Return to the exact wording of the question. The stem usually contains clues that determine which option best fits. Answer length, familiar words, and ignoring the stem are unreliable shortcuts. Question 76. Why are CLEP subject keywords useful for YouTube study videos? Option A. They hide the video topic. Option B. They replace clear explanations. Option C. They guarantee every viewer will pass. Option D. They help students find the exact exam review they need. The correct answer is option D. They help students find the exact exam review they need. Subject keywords connect the video with students searching for that CLEP exam or topic. They do not hide content, replace teaching, or guarantee outcomes. Question 77. Which CLEP exam connects most with trigonometric functions and polynomial graphs? Option A. Precalculus. Option B. Sociology. Option C. American literature. Option D. Management. The correct answer is option A. Precalculus. Precalculus includes functions, graphs, trigonometry, and algebraic analysis. Sociology, literature, and management cover different academic areas. Question 78. How can CLEP learners reduce test anxiety through preparation? Option A. Avoid all timed practice. Option B. Practice realistic questions and review mistakes consistently. Option C. Study only the night before. Option D. Never check the exam format. The correct answer is option B. Practice realistic questions and review mistakes consistently. Consistent realistic practice can make the format feel familiar and improve confidence. Avoiding timing, cramming, or ignoring format usually increases uncertainty. Question 79. Which exam likely tests research methods, learning theories, and classroom development? Option A. Financial accounting. Option B. Chemistry. Option C. Introduction to Educational Psychology. Option D. German language. The correct answer is option C. Introduction to Educational Psychology. Educational psychology covers learning, development, motivation, assessment, and classroom-related research. Accounting, chemistry, and language exams test different competencies. Question 80. Why is the phrase college level important in CLEP when studying CLEP Educational Psychology Practice Test? Option A. The exams are only for college seniors. Option B. The exams replace all college majors. Option C. The exams avoid academic content. Option D. The exams measure knowledge comparable to introductory college courses. The correct answer is option D. The exams measure knowledge comparable to introductory college courses. CLEP exams are built around introductory college-level course knowledge. They are not only for seniors, do not replace entire majors, and do include academic content. Question 81. Which question fits CLEP Social Sciences and History? Option A. How do political, economic, and social forces shape societies? Option B. How do ionic compounds dissolve? Option C. How does a comma splice get corrected? Option D. How is a derivative calculated? The correct answer is option A. How do political, economic, and social forces shape societies? Social sciences and history combines history, government, economics, sociology, psychology, and related social concepts. Chemistry, grammar, and calculus belong to different exam areas. Question 82. How should a student use official sample questions? Option A. Assume they are the full exam. Option B. Study the style and verify topic expectations. Option C. Ignore the explanations. Option D. Use them only after test day. The correct answer is option B. Study the style and verify topic expectations. Official samples help students understand style, scope, and expected reasoning. They are not the full exam, explanations matter, and using them after test day is too late for preparation. Question 83. Which CLEP exam is most likely to include literary periods and authors? Option A. College algebra. Option B. Information systems. Option C. American literature. Option D. Biology. The correct answer is option C. American literature. American literature involves literary works, periods, authors, themes, and interpretation. Algebra, information systems, and biology assess different knowledge. Question 84. Why can short CLEP questions be effective for practice? Option A. They remove the need for reasoning. Option B. They guarantee the real question length. Option C. They make all topics simple. Option D. They focus attention on one clear idea at a time. The correct answer is option D. They focus attention on one clear idea at a time. Short questions can isolate one concept and make review faster. They still require reasoning, do not guarantee official length, and do not make every topic simple. Question 85. Which detail should appear in a useful CLEP CSB question set? Option A. Question, options, answer, and explanation. Option B. Only the answer letters. Option C. Only the keyword title. Option D. Unlabeled random notes. The correct answer is option A. Question, options, answer, and explanation. A complete CSB set should include the question, answer choices, correct answer, and explanation for learning. Letters alone, keywords alone, or random notes do not provide enough study value. Question 86. How can students use CLEP multiple choice practice after reading a chapter? Option A. Avoid all review notes. Option B. Check whether they can apply the chapter concepts. Option C. Prove the chapter was unnecessary. Option D. Stop studying the subject. The correct answer is option B. Check whether they can apply the chapter concepts. Multiple choice practice tests whether reading turned into usable knowledge. It should complement notes rather than replace all study or end preparation too early. Question 87. Which CLEP language exam skill is most important? Option A. Solving calculus limits. Option B. Balancing chemistry equations. Option C. Understanding vocabulary, grammar, and reading/listening meaning. Option D. Preparing financial statements. The correct answer is option C. Understanding vocabulary, grammar, and reading/listening meaning. Language exams focus on comprehension, vocabulary, grammar, and meaning in context. Calculus, chemistry, and accounting tasks belong to other CLEP subjects. Question 88. Why might CLEP exam review videos use 100 questions? Option A. It guarantees the exact official exam. Option B. It removes the need for explanations. Option C. It makes the exam free. Option D. A large set gives repeated practice across many topics. The correct answer is option D. A large set gives repeated practice across many topics. A 100-question review gives students broad repetition, pacing practice, and exposure to many concepts. It does not reveal official questions, replace explanations, or change exam fees. Question 89. Which CLEP exam would ask about poems, drama, and prose interpretation? Option A. English literature. Option B. College mathematics. Option C. Business law. Option D. Macroeconomics. The correct answer is option A. English literature. English literature focuses on literary interpretation, genres, periods, and authors. Mathematics, law, and macroeconomics test different domains. Question 90. How can a student choose between two CLEP exams when studying CLEP Educational Psychology Practice Test? Option A. Pick the shortest title only. Option B, compare degree needs, strengths, and school credit policy. Option C, choose the exam with the brightest thumbnail. Option D, ignore all course requirements. The correct answer is option B, compare degree needs, strengths, and school credit policy. The best choice depends on degree requirements, existing knowledge, and the college's credit rules. Title length, thumbnail design, and ignoring requirements are poor decision guides. Question 91. Which reason supports taking breaks during CLEP study? Option A, breaks erase learned content. Option B, breaks replace practice tests. Option C, breaks help attention and memory recover. Option D, breaks guarantee a high score. The correct answer is option C, breaks help attention and memory recover. Short breaks can protect focus and improve retention during longer study sessions. They do not erase content, replace practice, or guarantee results. Question 92. Why should a CLEP question bank cover common misconceptions? Option A, misconceptions should be hidden. Option B, wrong thinking never affects scores. Option C, distractors are always random. Option D, misconceptions are often why students choose distractors. The correct answer is option D, misconceptions are often why students choose distractors. Many wrong answers are tempting because they match common misconceptions. Addressing them helps students understand why an option is wrong instead of simply memorizing the right letter. Question 93. Which CLEP exam is most likely to include matrices or probability basics? Option A, college mathematics. Option B, American government. Option C, French language. Option D, marketing. The correct answer is option A, college mathematics. College mathematics can include broad math topics such as sets, logic, probability, statistics, and algebraic ideas. Government, language, and marketing exams emphasize other areas. Question 94. How can students use CLEP score review content responsibly? Option A, assume one score rule applies everywhere. Option B, understand scoring basics and then confirm school policy. Option C, treat practice scores as official. Option D, ignore institution requirements. The correct answer is option B, understand scoring basics and then confirm school policy. Score review can explain general scoring ideas, but students still need to confirm the exact policy at their institution. Practice scores are not official and one rule does not apply everywhere. Question 95. Which question best fits CLEP principles of marketing? Option A, how do cells divide through mitosis? Option B, why did the Roman Republic decline? Option C, how does a target market shape a promotion strategy? Option D, how is a logarithm simplified? The correct answer is option C, how does a target market shape a promotion strategy? Marketing questions often involve target markets, promotion, products, pricing, and distribution. Mitosis, Roman history, and logarithms belong to biology, history, and math. Question 96. Why should a CLEP learner practice explaining answers aloud? Option A, it replaces all written work. Option B, it guarantees official credit. Option C, it makes wrong options disappear. Option D, it exposes gaps in reasoning and memory. The correct answer is option D, it exposes gaps in reasoning and memory. Explaining answers aloud forces the learner to organize reasoning and notice weak spots. It does not replace all writing, guarantee credit, or remove distractors. Question 97. Which exam likely covers early exploration, colonization, and the American Revolution? Option A, History of the United States I. Option B, History of the United States II. Option C, Calculus. Option D, Information Systems. The correct answer is option A, History of the United States I. History of the United States I generally covers earlier U.S. history through major founding and 19th century themes. U.S. History II focuses later periods, while Calculus and Information Systems are unrelated. Question 98. How can a learner keep CLEP notes useful? Option A, copy long pages without review. Option B, write concise summaries linked to missed questions. Option C, keep notes unrelated to topics. Option D, never update notes after practice. The correct answer is option B, write concise summaries linked to missed questions. Concise notes connected to missed questions make review targeted and practical. Copying without processing, unrelated notes, or never updating notes limits learning. Question 99. Which CLEP topic is most connected to inflation, unemployment, and national output? Option A, per calculus. Option B, American literature. Option C, macroeconomics. Option D, German language. The correct answer is option C, macroeconomics. Macroeconomics studies economy-wide measures such as inflation, unemployment, GDP and policy. For calculus, literature and language exams assess different knowledge. Question 100. Why is it useful to shuffle CLEP question order during practice when studying CLEP Educational Psychology Practice Test? Option A. It changes official answers. Option B. It removes hard questions. Option C. It makes explanations shorter. Option D. It prevents relying on memorized sequence. The correct answer is option D. It prevents relying on memorized sequence. Shuffling order encourages concept recognition instead of remembering a sequence. It does not change correct reasoning, remove difficulty, or improve explanations by itself.